guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making buffalo chicken wraps. I found the recipe on Facebook on the video section of Facebook. I don't know what it's called, but whatever. But yeah, so we're gonna make that. It only requires a couple ingredients and I'm going to show you how to make them. Okay, so these are the ingredients you need. You need some cheese, cream cheese. I got the Philadelphia brand. Some Greek yogurt. I couldn't find regular Greek yogurt, so vanilla. You won't taste it with everything else, like the buffalo sauce. And then you need buffalo sauce, and I got this brand. This is what it looks like, the jar. And of course, you need your chicken, and you need your tortilla shells. And I'm going to be using these ones. There are 10 shells in here, so I'm going to try to make all 10. The recipe that I found says that this recipe makes for 8, but I'm going to try my best to make all 10 of these. Since I'm making it for me and my boyfriend, I want us to each have 5. So yeah, we will get right into the next part. Okay, so I've got a pan heating up on the stove. I'm gonna add some oil to it. Find the oil. Just some vegetable oil. I'm running very low, so I'm gonna have to buy some more soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna put some oil on the pan, just so when I cook up the chicken, it doesn't burn. Or you get what I mean. I'm just gonna turn down the heat a little bit. And then we're gonna get into cooking the chicken. I'm just gonna throw all of my dairy products back in the fridge while we wait. Okay, I've got the bag of chicken. And the recipe didn't say what kind of seasoning that he used, so I just put onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper on it. And I'm cooking up 3 rice. So I'm going to cook this up, and then I will come back once the chicken is all cooked. Okay, chicken is cut up and shredded, as you can see. And now we are going to add the ingredients. It says, the recipe said half cup of buffalo sauce, half a cup of that, and then a cup of Greek yogurt, and then I believe a half cup of cream cheese. I'm gonna go double check that and I'll be right back with the instructions. Yeah, that was correct. So it's a half cup of buffalo sauce, a cup of Greek yogurt, and then half a cup of cream cheese. So oh crap. Just gonna grab up my measuring things. I got half a cup. And my 1 cup is dirty, so I'm just gonna guess with that. So I'll grab a spoon. I'm gonna open the buffalo sauce. And the cream cheese. I'm gonna measure out the cream cheese first, just because it makes sense to me. And then throw that in. Okay. Now we're going to open the buffalo sauce. Yep. Strong. I'm going to put half a cup of buffalo sauce. So about that much. That was about half the bottle. Half of how big is this bottle? 350 mLs of buffalo sauce, half of it. And the Greek yogurt. Just gonna give it a quick mix. Now I'm gonna open Greek yogurt. And it's at a cup. So maybe probably that much. I'm gonna give it a quick taste. That is really good. Okay, I'm gonna put away the buffalo sauce and I'll be right back to assemble the tortillas. Okay, I got the mixture and the tortillas. So we're going to grab, just gonna, give it a quick mix, just because I don't think I mixed it good. Okay, so we're gonna grab a scoop of the mixture. And then we're going to wrap it. And there we have one. Put it over there. Another spoonful of the mixture. That's two. Okay, and I'm gonna wrap the rest and I'll come back once I'm done to show you how many this made. Alright, the recipe made 9, one tiny one. I wanted to make at least 9 or 10, so I made a tiny one, which is fine. But yeah, now I'm going to put them into individual plastic bags, and then I'm gonna put it in a big freezer bag and then freeze them so that when I want to eat them I can microwave them. Yeah, 1, 2, 4 bags, 5, 6, freezer bag, and I'll label them so we know. This will also make it easier for my boyfriend to take it to work if it's in little baggies, and then he can just pop it in the microwave at work. Now you might have noticed that I did not put cheese in it. The recipe says to put cheese, but I don't think it really needs it. I tasted the mixture, as you guys already know, and it really did not need cheese. You can add cheese to yours if you want, your choice. I just don't really think it needed it. It tastes fine without. I'm going to finish bagging these off camera, and then I will come back to you to end the video. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I will put the instructions in the ingredients list and the measurements in the description. If anyone was curious on how to make it and wanted to make it, then you guys have the directions down in the description. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below any other video ideas you might have for me, and I'll be happy to possibly tape them. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.